This video shows the Pt3d command found within the SincPac. The command can be found on the SincPac 1 tab, the Points panel, and on the far left-hand side drop-down, I can select Pt3d. This will allow me to create Kogo points at selected points, using various settings. I can find the settings by typing S at the command line and pressing Enter, and it'll open up the point creation settings. Remember that you can always use the quick sets to create your own custom settings, and you can have multiple values. Here I can create a brand new one, and I can call this SincPac, and then hit OK. And then later on, when I want to use these settings again, I can just select SincPac from the list. Once I make changes to this dialog box, I can always hit Save to overwrite the existing values. Here I can set what point numbering do I want, and I'm going to use the automatic option, which will most likely use the next number. If I want a particular number, I can always display the free point numbers to pick a value that would be appropriate. Here on my point descriptions, I can have none, manual, or automatic. And so whenever I create a point, it'll automatically use that. If I use manual, it'll prompt me for the description after each point. Here I can give it a point name by using the same method, either none, manual, or automatic, and I'm going to go none for this exercise. Under the point elevations, I can choose to use none, I can manually set it, I can have it automatically set to a particular elevation. I can use whatever point elevation that I snap to, or I can grab it from a surface. And it'll grab that elevation from that surface. Here I can choose what point layer I need the Kogo point to go on, and then I can choose what style I want for the point. And then I can also include an elevation or label style to select, and I can add it to a particular point group. I can then hit OK, and then I can pick a point in the drawing, and it'll automatically create those points. If there's no surface where I pick, it'll set it to no elevation. And so this is the Pt3d command found within the SincPac.